Welcome to this Mojo tutorial. Mojo is an entirely new programming language for all AI developers. In this video, we will discuss variables in Mojo. First, what are variables in Mojo? A variable is a name such as a BC or any other desired legal name that holds a value or an object. All variables in Mojo are mutable, hence, their value can be changed. In Mojo, you can declare variables with the var keyword or without the var keyword. This is the syntax without using var. It is like Python syntax, but this only works in def declaration and REPL. If you try to use this syntax in fn or struct, it will not work, and an error will occur. This is the syntax for declaring variables using the var keyword. It is compulsory to use var in fn, hence, you can declare variables without the var keyword in fn function declaration, but it is optional in def. You may or may not use it. Both will work. The variable name is initialized to the string John. The user ID variable is uninitialized, but it has a declared type, int, for an integer value. You can assign an integer value such as 1, but if you assign a string or any other type of value to it, it will throw an error as you explicitly declare the type of user ID.
Using var helps prevent runtime errors caused by typos. For example, if you misspell the name of an undeclared variable, Mojo simply instantiates a new variable using the misspelled name. But when all mutable variables must be first declared with var, which is the case inside an fn function, then misspellings such as the following are caught by the compiler, as you can see in this program where name is misspelled to nane. This is hello.mojo file. This is function with def keyword. This function add two variable, and then return the sum. A is the first variable, .b is the second variable. As you know, the Mojo file requires main function, and here we call add function in this and then, printing the returned value. Here you can see the variable are without var keyword. Now we run this file with Mojo command. That's it. If we change this def into fn, then we can see the error. This is the error, use of unknown declaration. fn declarations requires explicit variable declaration. You can see that var is compulsory with fn, so we write var with a and b. Error on fourth line is due to that return type must be declared in fn declaration if it returns something. Default return value is none, so write int as return type, hence all is correct. You can use var keyword in def declaration, but not compulsory.
The variable data types had been implicitly declared, but you can explicitly declare them as by adding colon and then variable data type like this. Now, if you assign a wrong value, such as this string, then error is caught. Now we try to change this as string, and then using print function. Three plus 4 is equal to 34. Am I correct? Actually, 3 is string with value 4 is printing, and plus is acting as concatenation operator. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.